Early man. Long, early man. Long, long ago, early man lived on the earth. Early man did not have houses like us. He lived in forests or in caves. Early man slept on trees. Thus, he could protect himself from wild animals. He lived in groups. Early man moved from place to place in search of food. He ate fruits and roots of plants. He ate nuts and honey also. Early man also killed wild animals and ate their flesh. He ate uncooked flesh and food because he did not know how to make fire. Early man did not know how to make clothes. He covered his body with leaves and the skins of wild animals. Slowly, the time changed. Early man began to make some stone tools. He used these tools for hunting animals. Later on, he learned to make fire. He rubbed 2 stones to get fire. He started eating cooked food. Discovery of fire changed the life of early man.